Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am your Shankar. Today I am going to do one very small review about new Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, let's do that one and we'll see.
So, friends, we can start. So, before starting, I want to say one. So, all the peoples, all of the peoples know about Internet Explorer. Before Chrome's and Firefox and other browser, all the peoples are using. Most of the people are using the IE browser, Internet Explorer browser, right? So, after Chrome or Firefox came, IE is get ready. The people are everyone switched to the Chrome because the performance Chrome is more stable and performance Firefox also and secure and feature wise is also good, and they're supporting the some extensions to additional extensions they can add. That's why most of the people is switched to there, even me also. So after long time, Microsoft introduced one of the new browser called Edge along with their new OS Windows 10. So there what they did means they didn't change major change in their backend because the engine, the browser engine, they did same as IE what they use, same as they use it here also. And but they changed a lot of in the UI part and the feature wise part they did. But there also I used it a couple of time for that browser, but I'm feeling some issues, or I felt I got some issues or crashing is sometimes, and the performance is not much good compare here when we are comparing to Chrome and Firefox. So long back again they did one of the new upgrade. So recently they did that, not long time. Recently they did that new upgrade. I think January they released it with Chromium engine. They changed completely the backend part and the rendering part and all, and they introduced the upgraded Edge browser. So it's more good as that is my I used the last couple of months. So I felt it's very good and very smooth, even performance is very good. I felt I use a lot of apps, but it's even anytime I didn't face any crashing or hanging these kind of issue from this browser, and it's more performance compared to Google and Firefox. I personally felt it is more good. So let's do how I will tell how to download or how to upgrade the browser in your system. I think everyone have a Windows 10. Even if it is not a Windows 10 also we can support it. So if it is you want, go to the I'm already installed it, that's why I didn't again do. So go to the Microsoft Edge, you can search it, or you can go to the URL. This is the URL. So this is the Edge. They have a build called Perform. This is their website, and privacy, more productive, more value. It's all good, and I will tell you a little good features is there. I will tell you coming videos. Okay, you can download the Windows, the Edge browser in your Windows. Not only 10. That's why I'm saying not only 10. You can download the Edge browser in Windows 8, Windows 7, Mac OS, iOS and Android. So I already installed my iPhone also this browser. So it's good compared to Safari also. It's more good. I'm very loudly that one to use in my phone also. Then and I will show the even performance level. Even one that I am already opened the browser here, Firefox. If you see there's the Microsoft Edge, the CPUs and RAM is very less compared to the Firefox, and that's why it's a more stable. That's why more performance compared to other browsers. But Chrome, if you check it, this one, it's not you will not feel that much. Why? Because it's a Chromium engine is very close to the Chrome also most of the almost is the similar. So that's why Chromium it's we will never feel more difference and all the performance level. But feature level there is a couple of change in Microsoft did. They didn't do anything the exact same as a Chromium engine what they have. They did customize the engine and the personalize and more good feature they added. Okay, so I will tell one about that one. The one is that if you go for the menu section, there is a collection is there. You can see the collection. So what is the mean with collection? If I am as a article, I am as a, every time nowadays all people are using the browsers, systems, everything. So we are reading lot of articles when searching and all. So if we need to point one text or one content, we need to store or we need to take it out. So what we did, even my what I did means I copy and put it in a grid and I save it and it's a separate files. I do that one, and image is also same like that. So but in Edge, the new Edge browser, they give this option as a collection. So I will show you how it's it. So if I go here, you can, I already did here. So I will add here one new collection. So sample my collection, and I can drag this. If you want to text or one line text or this text, I can select it, I can drag it here directly, so it will be saved here. You get it, all the things, it will be collected. Even image also we can do the same level. So this is a very good feature, I felt it. And one more thing I want to say is one good feature is called as a read aloud. I didn't see any other browser. So when we are enabling, when you do this process, what will happen means the system should read our content, browser content. So sample I will say
Edge. Features. Bing. For business. Microsoft News. All Microsoft. Search. Introducing the new Microsoft Edge. Download for Windows 10. It's time to expect more. World-class performance with more privacy, more productivity, and more value while you browse. World-class performance. You get it all with the new Mac.
So that's why I said they will give the nice feature. This one I really loved it. Maybe sometime if I'm reading or news or anything, we are busy to some other looking something, we can give this option and the system will read and we can hear it of the latest news and all. So it's a very good. I really loved this feature. And other one thing is there, the apps. We can install the store. Now I am installed the GitHub and import, so it will be, we can pin it here also in our task manager. That is also very good. And they are supporting extensions, like whatever we can in Chrome extension there, almost around, I'm not say 100%, but almost 95 to 98 100 88% the extension, store extension, we can get it here also. So it's very good. And I'm going through the settings. I will tell something good. So privacy, their tracking system, they are strictly tracking our browser, block the trackers, our sites, the user is what and all sites are there doing the tracking process. So they will balance, and the preventions, it is a very strong, they did very strongly. It's the same as a Firefox they did, or it's the same we can say that. And other thing is that they did more performance, and I loved, very loud means for the developer. I am as a developer, in a web developer, so I felt it one good feature in here. What does that mean? When this feature, choose what to clear every time to close the browser. So why I am like this when I am developer, web developer, so I developing websites, images, and it's almost it will saved as a cache, and all cookies and will become. So all time next time I can maybe I forget to clear the cache. So again while I'm running I got the issue. So I need to do the again come settings and clear the cache and again refresh that. So this feature and I am enabling when I am close it, when the days end or when I close the browser, reopen it, when I am reopen again, so everything will be clear, it's a freshly loaded. So I like it, is a very good feature. I really love this one. And other one we can do the the zooming, that theme. It's the same as the Chrome also we can do the things. So difference I am saying Chrome this feature and all Chrome will be not, because I am saying the clearing than things. And other things I can say, the fonts. I told the fonts they are supporting, we can sing that I think almost all the browser they can do, and Chrome also they can do. But this is I'm using iPhones. I really loved that one, and it's more good. More good means very good. And other main things they said also they announced the streaming level when Netflix 4K HD for Keystream. It's a very smooth. But my system is not a 4K, but I tried in one of the my 4K screen. It's a very good smooth, and the quality and everything will be smooth. It's a very good Netflix also. So these are the my assumptions, my review, my personal reviews.
Ones. This is a very small video, and this is when I'm using last 2 months. I'm using the Micro Edge, so I face a good response, and from that browser. So that's why I want to share you that technology or that experience. I want to share to you guys. That's why I did this video, and this is actually so on that is this completely my personal review. I felt it that one, so you guys tried once and feel it, how is it, and go through anything I missed, you can share to me also. Okay, anyway, if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. So bye bye.